when it transferred to the Ablana in the English version, it was a totally different type of casting, because the Damer, which always had an amateur ethos, even though the actors were highly skilled, now we were in a semi-professional and semi-professional situation, and we had practically all the big actors of Dublin turned into it at one point or another. I remember Maureen told the first time I met her, and she was flying in because she was doing shows in Granada television at the time. She had to fly over for rehearsals. I remember Tony Doyle, God rest him, the most handsome man that ever was at that time. What's the other?
Yeah, I'm listening. It's coming back to me listening to you. Yes.
Bill Golding was one of the...
Cecil Sheridan.
Oh, Cecil Sheridan, who was
brilliant.
He was absolutely
He
wonderful.
played the man who came in with the laundry baskets.
Exactly.
Johnny the Van.
Johnny the Van.
Yes.
And he was just, I mean, a showstopper, you know.
Anyone who knew Cecil Sheridan is the extraordinary thing, he had an appalling stammer off stage, which he immediately overcame on stage. Unbelievable.
No trace of it on stage whatsoever.
But we got to meet so many of the famous actors of the day, who are still quite famous. Well, poor May Cluskey was in it at one point. She was.
Was she?
She was, yes.
Yes.
Well, I'm trying to think how many. Clive Garrity was in it. Fionnuala Family, of course, again.
Gosh, I don't remember. Just remember Cecil now. And,
I think Des Neal.
Oh, well, I think Donald O'Quayle was in it again.
He was indeed.
Yes, he came from the Damer production.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it led on to a lot of things for all of us.
It did. I was just saying that earlier on, that I got my equity ticket out of it.
Well done. I think I must have done the same.
Because at that stage you had to have so many professional performances before you got a full equity card. And after that, like Phyllis gave me work in the Olympia, and then I did seasons with her down in Limerick. So it was a real starting point for a lot of us.
Because at that time, Michael O'Hurley came to Ireland. He had been doing Hawaii 5-0 in America, and he was casting for a film, and he came to see it, and I got a tiny part in a film he was doing for Disney called The Fighting Prince and Johnny Gall. But also Brendan Nealon, who was the casting director at RTE, he came to see it, and he told Hilton Edwards that he should go and have a look at me for The Loves of Castle McGuire, which only started on Broadway. So that was there were two quite nice little jumps from An Triail or An Triail, whichever you like.
Yeah.